Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee, and today is a hot one. It is hot here in the 518. So if I look a little disheveled, it's because it's crazy hot here. And I just had a fan blowing on me like Beyonce before I got on the camera because I am hot. So today I wanted to talk to you about what I intended to do and then what I actually did. Maybe I won't tell you what I actually did, I'll just show you. But I actually set out to go find some purses for a thrift flip. Let's go ahead and see what we got and then come back. Don't go away, come back and see what I actually ended up doing. Hot here. Oh my gosh, I gotta turn off my Beyonce fan. Don't I look like her? But it's hot here in the 518. 518 meaning Albany, New York. So, okay, as you can see, I went shopping for purses to do a thrift flip. And I actually did a thrift flip recently, and I'll show you a little bit of video here. It came out so good. Make sure you check out that video. I can't believe how beautiful the purse came out. And it was just from a thrifted little cheapy purse. I have more of those that I'm going to be doing, but I ended up going to other departments. I said I wasn't going to, and actually I was pretty good when it came to clothing. It was just the home goods that got me. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the thrift haul. Okay, let's start out with the purses that I did end up buying. I got this for $2.99. It is a little dirty here from where somebody maybe had their makeup and held on to it, but the inside of the purse is pristine. You can tell that this was only used once. What I want to do is I want to take off this decal and then bedazzle it, just like I did the other purse, and I think it'll look really cute. So for $2.99, I may have even got it on sale. I don't know for sure. I think that was a good deal. I also got this new with tag Banana Republic purse. I really loved the bamboo handle. As you can see, the plastic is still covering the metal on the clasp. And then when you open it up, it's got this really beautiful, surprising baby blue inside with the tissue still inside. I got this purse for $6.99. I'm definitely not gonna thrift flip it. I'm just gonna rock it just the way it is, but I think it's really cute. My most fun purse find was this carpet bag. And I just love the funky print on it. And these are definitely something that is vintage in nature. And it does have the scent that's been sitting around some lady's house and not being used forever because the inside is perfect condition. And I love the print on this. I got it for $5.99 and I can't wait to style it up. I've really gotten into wearing slips. And this little slip right here is perfect for going under a really nice flowy dress or skirt to give you a little bit more opaqueness and not make it so see-through. So I got that for $1.99 and I really like this cute little slip. Great price. Look for the slips at the thrift store. Okay, so I told you I didn't get too many clothes, and I didn't. I actually got this Tykel jacket. It is polyester, but I loved the spring flowers on it, and I thought that would be perfect with like a cute little white or even a tank top of any color that matches this jacket. And I got this for $5.99. I couldn't pass up this Tahari suit jacket. I love one button suit jackets that come down into a low V, and I liked this print. Tahari is a wonderful brand, and I got this for half off. I believe it was $2.50. You should always check out the belts at the Salvation Army. My Salvation Army sells them all for $1.99, so it doesn't matter what kind they are. So this one is from Express, and I loved the little bedazzlement on it. Thought that was cute, and it's stretchy, so it goes as wide as I need to go, or as tight as I needed to go as the summer goes along. And then this is a cute little leather belt, and it's got the big stretchy waist as well. It's a little skinnier than I preferred, but I don't know, it was red, and I was like, oh, I don't have a red belt, so I'm just gonna put it in my wardrobe and enjoy it. And then I got this one right here. This is gray, and I loved the buckle on this one, and it also stretches. I like the stretch belts because then, you know, they can kind of go in and out as you need them to. And then finally, I got this leather belt. It is genuine leather and made in the USA, so it's been around the block. And this buckle is just everything. I got these two decorative plates. They could either be hung up on a wall, or I'm probably gonna put a plant on top of it, on top of a table in my formal living room, because I have a lot of wicker in my formal living room. And I got these each for $1.99. And I thought that they were really great condition, and they would make a nice aesthetic in that room. I also got this pretty little baby right here. And oh man, I don't know anything about it except that it was $2.99. It feels like it might be handmade, but I don't know. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. I think I'm gonna do something creative with this. I'm not quite sure just yet, but I can hang it on the wall. It's got a US patent, so it's made in the USA, and I paid $1.99 for it. Okay, you know me and my candles, and I could not pass up this wonderful little metal candle holder. It was $1.99, and I like to be able to put candles in different heights, so I thought that this would be a cute candle holder. I also got this amazing metal candle holder. I'm not sure if it's metal or copper. It's starting to oxidize. So you tell me, could you leave me a comment below if you know exactly what this is? It's very sturdy, and it's kind of heavy as well. I got this for $2.99, and I just love it. I got this really great tissue box cover because you know what, we're all using tissues nowadays, like it's going out of style, even especially with allergy season. Oh my goodness, my allergies have been going crazy. So I got this to cover up a tissue box, and it was $2.99. Really cute, right? This ceramic wastebasket was $6.99, and I just loved the idea of having a little more elevated basket for one of my bathrooms. You know, there's nothing worse than having an ugly little trash bin in your bathroom. So I thought that this would be really nice to put into one of my bathrooms. I have an extensive collection of coffee mugs, and recently I started to think maybe I should stop just getting all different kinds of coffee mugs and go with like stoneware or something that's just a little bit more substantial or looking a little bit more special. And I really love the design on this one. It was $2.99. Unfortunately, it didn't have a pair, but I thought it was big enough where I can have, you know, just that one cup a day. It'll probably only fill about this high. It won't do 8 ounces, I don't think. It's probably a 6-ounce cup. I'm not quite sure. But it definitely would be a pretty addition to my collection of mugs. And maybe I'll remove one and put this one in its place. I love decorative plates and bowls, and this is called Butterfly Meadow. And look how pretty it is. I love pink glass. I've been trying to start collecting it, and I just love this. I love to eat my oatmeal in pretty bowls like this, or have a bowl of fruit or something really cute in it, maybe my yogurt, just to kind of elevate what you're eating at the same time. They were $1.99 each, and I got 4. This was my most beautiful find. You could tell it hasn't even been used because the label is still right there on the top. It is by Shannon Crystal, Designs of Ireland. And look how stunning this cake plate is. I thought I could put like a bun cake on this, or I could put like a mountain of like fruit just kind of draping over it. Just such a beautiful design. I really could not believe that I got this for only $6.99. Such a great gift. So as you can see, I set out to get purses that I could flip, and I only got one, but I got some really great other items. I tried not to go shopping for other things, but you know what? The thrift shop just calls you, right? Well, I just want to thank you so much for tuning in this week and taking a look at some of the items that I got. Tell me what your item was your favorite out of the haul. Also, if you know what this is, tell me. I need to know. Is it just metal or is it lead? I'm very interested to know what this is. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel right here. We are doing beauty on a budget. Everything to make you look like $1 million but not spend $1 million. And I really appreciate you tuning in every week. It is a hot summer day here in upstate New York. I'm gonna turn on my fan and I'm gonna go and cool off. Thanks so much for tuning in. And bye. See you next week. Love you.